of the Decade makeup series. So today we're going to be doing 1910. So yeah, if you want to see how I created this look, then keep on watching. Okay, for my eyebrows today, I actually used my Revolution Ultra Brow palette, and I used the lightest shade in this palette. It is this one, and I just kind of filled in my eyebrows. Then, so just like the Victorian makeup look, they didn't really do a lot of makeup. It was very, very minimal. And for eyeshadow, I actually did do a little bit of eyeshadow. I just used the Too Faced I Want Candy palette with a big fluffy brush like this one from Echo Tools. This is a large eyeshadow brush. And I just used the color Banana Cream Pie on my entire eyelid. Then what I did is I curled my lashes. I curled my lashes. And then, just like the Victorian look, I put on my Winky Looks So Extra mascara. Then, so for the blush, I looked at the photo. It looks like it kind of went down a little bit further than the apple. So I kind of just went further down and just applied that with the same blush that I use pretty much in all my videos. I absolutely love this blush. It's so soft, so nice. And yeah. Then for lips, I can't get it. I actually used the Baby Lips lip balm, and after that I felt like it was a little bit too dark, so I just used my finger to kind of dab it a little bit so it's not so dark. Hi guys, it's Editing Rachel here again. So I did not realize that I didn't have enough clips after me explaining how to do the makeup, so I'm back here with some more clips just to kind of fill out the space. So yeah, I think I'm going to change how I film the videos, so I'm going to be actually not having the little screen. Okay, so now we're going to be getting into the actual, like how they did it and how they did their makeup in 1910. So there's this like little guide that I found on the internet, and it shows like what colors they used. So for face, they used light powder. So I did forget to show you guys what I used for powder, but the same thing, Neutrogena Mineral Sheer Powder Foundation. And then I did lighten it up a little bit with my other brush. So for face, they used light powder and eyeshadow. This is for evening, but for the daytime, they would just use light shadows just like this. And it would be like, for evening, would be gold and silver eyeshadow. And for mascara, darken the lashes, heavy mascara and eyeliner from 1916 onward. So they didn't use heavy eyeliner until 1916, so I didn't put, since this is 1910 makeup look, I didn't want to put a heavy mascara on, so I just did a light mascara. And for lips, they did red sometimes for daytime, or for evening, and then for daytime they did a nice light kind of like pink color. And for blush, it says all over the cheeks, so I don't know. I hope you all enjoyed today's video and see you guys next time.
Goodbye.
Bye!